Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn tied chain stitch. We work this stitch in two lines. The space in between the two lines should be half a centimeter. First let us put chain stitches in the first line. Insert the needle, pick some fabric, pass the thread below the needle and just pull over. You will get a chain like this. Once again I'll teach you. Insert the needle, thread below the needle and pull over. I have already taught you the chain stitch and I have given the link for the video in the description. If you have missed the chain stitch video, go to the link in the description and learn. I'll come back to you after finishing this line. Now coming to the second row, make chains parallel to the chains in the previous row. First chain should be straight to the first chain in the previous row and the second chain should be straight to the second chain in the previous row, so that it will be easier for us to tie the stitches. Once again, the third chain should be straight to the third chain in the previous row, and in this same way we will finish the second line of chain stitches. I will come back to you after completing the second line. Now I have finished the second line of chain stitch. I have taken a contrast color thread and insert in between the two lines. I am using all the 6 strands of thread. Now insert the needle below the 2 threads in the center of the first 2 chains like this. Bring the thread above the needle and take it below like this and pull over. You will get a knot in the center like this. See, once again, insert the needle below the 2 threads in the center of the second stitch. Thread above the needle and then below the needle and pull over. You will get a second knot like this. See, once again, insert the needle below the center 2 threads like this and bring the thread above and then below the needle and then pull over. You will get a knot in the center, and I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. You can use different shades of threads and enjoy this stitch in your embroidering. This stitch can be used in straight lines, borders and for alphabets. I have given the links of my other related videos in the description. You can also learn other stitches through those links. If you like this video, click the like button and also share with your friends. If you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please subscribe so that you will get notifications for my future videos. If you wish to learn any other stitches, please do comment so that I can upload videos for you. Now you can see the back view of the stitch. You can't see the red thread here, which we used for tying both the chain stitches. Thank you.